Hey guys, it is early on this Friday, May the 5th, 2023, and today we're going to take a quick update look at my Plumeria, also known as Frangipani. I do start the seeds indoors. I soak them in warm water for 12 to 48 hours, and then they go in these germination trays and some peat pellets on top of a heat mat. I go ahead and put the grow lights in on top just in case we have a few sprouts that come up before I catch it, because I don't want them growing leggy on me. But seeds in the peat pellets, germinating indoors. Here are some germinated seedlings in different stages that I have out in the greenhouse now. Some of them are starting to get quite big, and some are even starting to branch. I have several different varieties of colors of these new seedling Plumeria. They may not bloom for up to 2 years though when grown from seed. Usually if you take them from a cutting, they bloom pretty regular. But these flowers, as you may or may not know, that come on the Plumeria are the flowers they use in Hawaiian leis. And they come in a variety of a rainbow of colors. Hopefully I'll have you a video soon of a bunch of different colors to give you some comparison. Here are some various cuttings. As you can see on this little cutting, we already have an inflow starting. This one has a single flower right now, and this one started out with blooms. This is a Scott Pratt volcano. Started out with blooms, and now the leaves are starting to form. These two bigger ones are cuttings that I took from one of my bigger trees. See the new growth there on the tips. And those two came from this tree right here. And as you can see where I took the cuttings, we have 3 branches forming on this side, one starting to form there, and 2 others. So usually wherever you do a cutting, you can get 2 to 4, sometimes even 5 new branches. I cut this one to help cause it to have more of a tree bushy feel. This one is just a single straight cane. If it continues this way as it gets taller, I'll do a cut on that one to help inspire some branching on this one also. I think this one's a really neat one. It has character. It's not a straight cane, but the leaf is coming out of purpley red and then turning to the green. More of a pointed leaf. Lots of new growth on this one, that green section there. And that's just a quick little update video on my Plumeria, also known as Frangipani. Stay tuned, I'll have more videos, more updates. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing.